So this video is a continuation of last video. So we're talking about contextual menu here. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna teach you. Okay, we don't need this in our last video. We don't actually need to print a print here. We'll get now. So what if you want to create a contextual menu? That's the menu you get whenever you right click like this. So you can do this too with Tkinter. All you have to do is oh my goodness, so you have to create another menu item for this. So I'm gonna come here and create a for loop to do that. So I'm gonna do for I in let's do 1, 2. Let's put numbers there instead so we don't waste time. 1, 2, 3. So of course you have to come here and create a menu for that. So we're gonna do const menu. I'm gonna go to Tkinter menu. So pass in our root there. So this will be a contextual menu. So of course it's just like a normal menu, but we're gonna call it when we want to call it. So we're gonna say const menu dot add command. Then we're gonna do I. So we want to add I to that. We've added that. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, on Mac, if you right click, might different from when you right click on Windows or left click. So on Mac you might just need one click to get that to work. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say if root dot tk dot call. Okay, we're gonna call tk here instead, and then we're gonna say window win system. So it's gonna check the operating system, and then if it's equals to a MacBook, so we're gonna use an aqua for that. We're gonna do control else for Windows. So if you're Windows of course it's just your right click. So we're gonna do root dot bind, and then for right click you have to put your event in. Yes. So this event island, of course I don't want to talk about this now, but I have no choice but to talk about it now. So I'm just gonna talk about minimal, nothing much about it here. So I'm gonna put a 3 for right click here, and then what do I want to do? So I'm gonna use a lambda function in here. Lambda the events, and then I'm gonna say const menu dot post. So I want to post it at that particular point. Now the x and y. So the x and y is gonna be e dot x root. Okay, so this is gonna be relative to your root window. Of course, you don't want it to be relative to your whole screen. So we're gonna do the root. If I do Control B, okay, there's nothing here. I'm gonna do the one for Mac in a minute. So if I do Control B, I don't know why it's showing this here. I don't know why this error is showing. Let's save that. Let me cancel this and run the game. I shouldn't get that. Am I missing anything? Come on. Oh my, sorry guys. Oh my. This is supposed to be label equals to I. So if I do Control B now, oh my. So now if I right click, as you can see for the Windows, you can right click and then it shows this. You can use the number as well. So to remove the separator, just the tier of rather I said. So we're gonna put 0 there, so we don't have that here if you right click. Now for if you're on Mac, I'm just gonna call Control Shift D and bring this up here. I'm gonna Control Shift D. So I'm gonna clear this. And if you're on Mac, you can either have to use Control 1 twice. You have to use Control 1 left click, or just your left click. So you don't have to worry if you're on Mac, just put this there. We're gonna talk about, I don't want to talk about this now. We're gonna talk about it when we get to event handling. So this should work for if you're using Mac anyway. This is meant to be 2. Okay, this is meant to be 2. Just 2 fingers, and just this for Control 1 on Mac. So if you're using Mac, this should work for you. And if you're using Windows, just your right click should do that. That's 3. If I do Control B now, that should work. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out my next epic content. Much love guys. Peace out.